Let us see how you can create a Facebook page messenger bot. Click on create bot flow. Now click on the plus sign for the trigger. Here select the option of Facebook page chatbot, and then you can have various keyword based triggers or inbound webhook based triggers for your Facebook page. We'll have a separate video for the comments part. For now, let me select the option of keywords. Select your Facebook channel which is already connected. Let us set the trigger keyword as hi. Now in the next step, let us see the send a reply option. And you can also ask a user by possibly sending a button message. And depending upon the user selection, you can surely send a reply. After this, remember to save the workflow and enable the workflow. Now on your Facebook page, you can simply test the bot by sending the incoming message of the trigger keyword. We can see that the first message is sent and the second question block is also sent with the 3 buttons. And if the button is clicked on, the reply is also received. So this is how you can create bot for your Facebook page. Thank you.